Alright, we're out here at Aldermans Ford Park, Hillsborough County, just north of River State Park. And out here on this trail, there's about 2.5 miles of trails out here at the park. There's an interpretive center, and it's nice. It goes down to the river, which I'm guessing is part of the Aldermans River. I'm going to have to double check that. It's going to go. We're going to head down toward the other end of this trail now, which is the paved portion of the trail, and that's what goes underneath the highway and then over the canoe launching area. You can see how we're near some little swampy area here. I'm starting to hear a little thunder off in the distance, so it's a nice park. This is going to bring us out by a little swamp area in the interpretive center, and I believe it's starting to rain now. Yes, it is. Well, that'll keep the temperature down, but so they get out from underneath these trees, it's not going to make it good for biking. What are you going to do? Rain anytime in Florida. I think it may have stopped now. Alright. We have some softball fields out here. See if I can navigate this without falling. Shaky there, sorry. My camera mount broke for the bike, so I'm holding it as I'm riding here. Oh yeah, now it's going to pour. Lovely. As you can tell, the sun is out and it's pouring. Only in Florida. Okay. We're going to come by one of the picnic shelters here. Oops. There is another trail that goes off that way. Goes around for about a half-mile loop. More of a walking trail. This is like the interpretive center. Alright, so Aldermans Ford Park, Hillsborough County, Florida, excuse me. This is a day-use park, so come check it out when you get a chance. $2 entry fee.